Welcome to Mindblowing Facts, the channel that brings you the most interesting and surprising facts from around the world. In today's video, we'll be exploring some fascinating facts about all the 29 states of India. India is a land of diversity, with each state having its unique culture, history, and traditions. Let's dive into some amazing facts about these states. Let's start with the state of Andhra Pradesh, which has the second longest coastline in India, after Gujarat. Moving on to Arunachal Pradesh, did you know that it is the only Indian state that shares its borders with 4 countries, China, Bhutan, Myanmar, and Tibet? Assam, the land of tea gardens, is home to the world's largest river island, Majuli. Bihar is the birthplace of Buddhism, and Bodh Gaya in Bihar is where Lord Buddha attained enlightenment. Chhattisgarh, the rice bowl of India, is home to the world's oldest rock art, which dates back to the Mesolithic era. Goa is the smallest state in India, but did you know that it has the highest per capita income in the country? Gujarat, the land of Mahatma Gandhi, is where the world's largest shipbreaking yard is located. Haryana is the state with the highest number of rural Olympics, also known as Kila Raipur Sports Festival. Himachal Pradesh is where you'll find Asia's highest cricket ground, located in the town of Chil. Jharkhand is where you'll find India's largest steel plant, the Bokaro Steel Plant, which produces more than 5 million tons of steel annually. Karnataka, the land of sandalwood, is home to the famous Mysore Palace, which is the official residence of the Wadiyar dynasty. Kerala, also known as God's own country, is where you'll find India's first ever solar-powered airport, the Kochi International Airport. Madhya Pradesh is the land of forests, and the state has the highest forest cover in India, covering more than 77,700 square kilometers. Maharashtra, the land of Bollywood, is known for its rich cultural heritage, including its vibrant music, literature, and film industries. The state is also home to some of the most famous landmarks in India, such as the Gateway of India and the Ajanta and Ellora caves. Finally, Maharashtra is the birthplace of most famous personality Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Manipur is where you'll find the only floating national park in the world, the Kebul Lamjau National Park. Meghalaya is the wettest state in India, and the village of Mawsyngram in Meghalaya holds the Guinness World Record for the highest average annual rainfall. Mizoram is the only state in India where the majority of the population is Christian. Nagaland is the land of festivals, and the Hornbill Festival, celebrated in December, is the most popular festival in the state. Odisha is home to the famous Konark Sun Temple, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The temple is dedicated to the Hindu sun god, Surya, and is known for its stunning architecture and intricate carvings. Punjab, also known as the land of 5 rivers, is home to the Golden Temple, the most visited religious site in the world. Rajasthan is where you'll find the Thar Desert, also known as the Great Indian Desert, which is the 9th largest subtropical desert in the world. Sikkim is the only state in India with an open land border with China. Tamil Nadu, the land of temples, is where you'll find the Brihadiswara Temple, which is one of the largest temples in India and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Telangana is where you'll find the world's largest 3D printer, which was built by the Indian Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. Tripura, the land of the legendary King Tripura, is where you'll find the famous Ujjayanta Palace, which is now a state museum. Uttar Pradesh is the most populous state in India and is home to the world-famous Taj Mahal, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Uttarakhand is where you'll find the Valley of Flowers National Park, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most beautiful national parks in India. West Bengal is home to the famous Sundarbans, the largest delta in the world and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Last but not least, we have the Union Territory of Delhi, the capital of India, which is where you'll find the largest wholesale spice market in Asia, the Khari Baoli. So, these were some fascinating facts about all the 29 states of India. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel Mindblowing Facts for more interesting facts from around the world. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.